In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your text is pixelated or not displaying properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system on the left side here. And then on the right side, you want to select display. And where it says display resolution, you want to make sure it's set to the default here, which should be recommended, the default option, as well as the scaling. If HDR is turned on, you may want to disable it or turn it off through here. That's something else you want to look at as well. And if there's any other settings in here that might look a little bit off or like they've been adjusted, you may want to consider changing them back to default, as well as going underneath advanced display. There's any options here to choose a different refresh rate. You might want to go to a higher refresh rate, or if that might be the issue, maybe you want to go to a lower refresh rate. So a couple different things to take a look at. And one final thing we can do as well, close out of here, open up the search menu and type in advanced system best match. She'll come back with view advanced system settings. Go ahead and open that up. Versus performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Select settings. Select versus let Windows choose what's best for my computer, and then select apply and OK. And then you may have to restart your computer. I don't believe you have to, though. It might take a couple moments for it to take effect, but that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.